According to the CDC, flu season in the U.S. typically peaks in the winter with the highest flu activity most often in the month of February, but that is not the case this year. The agency is reporting an increase in cases months later than usual. Alex Caprariello joins us live now with more on this unusually late flu season. Alex.
Yeah, good morning to you, Ruta Bay. This is really something that's captured the attention of doctors all across America. Hospital beds being taken up by flu patients months after we normally see this virus peak. Here are the signs and symptoms to look out for.
As spring turns to summer, there's an unexpected surprise for parents.
The kids are maybe sick every month or so, or a little bit more than usual.
America is undergoing a months-long outbreak of the flu, passing with ease among the public, well past the typical flu season.
Influenza is interesting because of the way it starts. It usually starts quite suddenly. You feel like you're hit by a train.
Combined with the ongoing pandemic, it spells out trouble for hospitals. The CDC estimates nearly 6 million flu cases so far this year, leading to nearly 60,000 hospitalizations and 3,600 deaths. Pair that with the pandemic, the United States has seen a 21% increase in COVID cases over last week.
We still haven't sorted out what the exact vaccine schedule is. We don't know when boosters are needed. COVID still hasn't settled into a seasonal respiratory pattern.
Common symptoms between the two include fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, and sore throat. But there are some differences to look out for. Symptoms will appear sooner if you have the flu. And the key indicator, if you have COVID, you'll notice a gradual increase in those prominent respiratory symptoms and also the loss of taste and smell.
Getting vaccinated is the most important thing you can do to prevent infection. And the masking works for both.
The good news is that these flu cases may be on the decline. The CDC reporting a decrease in the number of patients hospitalized for the first time since January. However, there are still some hot spots across America. Right now, New Mexico has high transmission, also moderate transmission happening in Colorado and Massachusetts. Ruta Bay.
And it's all confusing in the midst of the pandemic. Alex, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.